Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. Today I'm going to show you how to fit new wiper blades to my 2015 Lexus NX. This also applies to the Toyota CHR from 2016, the Subaru Impreza from 2016 and the Subaru XV from 2017. Now hopefully you can see what I'm doing because I'm going to do this with one hand. There's a small little square release button here on the wiper arm to release the wiper blade. So you push that button in and hold the wiper blade at the same time and lift outwards to remove it. Now what's always a good idea is to take your old wiper blade and compare it to the new wiper blade for length. Make sure that they're the same length and that they have the same connection. Fitting the new wiper blade is just a reversal of removal. And on the passenger side here, slide it in, click it in, place it back down. Oh yeah, they are doing a great job. Very happy with them. We really hope you found that video useful and you now feel confident enough to try it yourself. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Driveway Dudes, and have a great day too.